facing the brunt of increase of road tax, within the last 4 years, it has gone up from 6% to 21%. In 2012, it was 6%. Today, we are looking at the highest slab of 21%. Nowhere in the neighboring states it is there. There are about 15 states in the country where the road tax hovers less than 10%, whereas in Goa it is as high as 21%. In 2015, the road tax was increased in the month of July. Within less than a year, in March 2016, on a section of the vehicles, the VAT was increased to 15%. Another month and a half, 2 months, the minimum wage notification came in, where the salaries of our workforce, because our entire body is highly compliant, almost 100% compliant with all the regulations, so a huge burden on us. And now come September 21st, we have another road tax increase. So it looks as though that the automobile industry is put on the floor and kicked again and again and again, to an extent that it is becoming unbearable now.
Automobile dealerships in Goa contribute to the government treasury almost about 800 to 1,000 crores a year by way of VAT, road tax, infrastructure tax and other levies imposed by the transport department. Now with this exorbitant irrational increase in taxes, the government will lose the revenue due to negative effect on sales. Instead of gaining in revenue, it will not happen, it will lose the revenue. On the other hand, if the government maintains the status quo, sales will increase, thereby giving additional revenue to the state. It has been observed that a lot of high-end cars are getting into Goa with the new cars registered in other states where the taxes are much lower than in our state. With the recent Karnataka High Court order, any state registered vehicle can run the vehicle with the same registration number in any part of India. This trend is likely to increase in our state in the coming months due to irrational increase in our taxes in our state. So in this scenario, we appeal to the government to see that this taxation is reverted back to the old rates prevailing before 21st September. If the current imposed road tax continues, all automobile dealers strongly feel a negative impact on sales, hence resulting directly in job cuts across all dealerships, which will be detrimental for the people of Goa. Presently employ around 6,500 people, workers in all dealerships across Goa. Now if this same situation prevails and we have a negative growth from month to month, we fear we might have to cut 30% of our workforce, which translates into almost 1,900 to 2,000 staff, and which we probably will have to do from December.